Hello everybody, my name is Cristian Eliasson Vega. I study at the University Cooperativa de Colombia. So, this is evolution of technology. By way of introduction, these technologies for the most part have facilitated the development of society and have provided us with tools to deal with the problem that, until then, had no solution with the existing means at that time. Currently, the technologies that are influencing society to greater extent are those related to computing and communication, in which to stand out, the internet and mobile communication. Okay, the first is printing. Printing, basically the invention of the printing press made possible the multiplication of text in the Middle Ages. When the publishing of books was very restricted, it revolutionized the culture by expanding the number of potential readers by multiplying the number of books and reducing their cost. So literacy received a huge boost, never seen before. The printing press was the most important revolution against the absolute powers, monarchies, and search. Science it spread knowledge, something that these powers kept for themselves during the 10 centuries that the Middle Ages lasted. Okay, 2. Morse code. Morse code is a means of communication based on the transmission and reception of messages by emitting them by means of light rays. The Morse alphabet is made up of dots and lines that are manifest in sounds of different duration. The line lasts for 3 points or units. Okay, the television. In contemporary societies, the importance of the mass media and particularly television is increasing. This influences the way people act or think. It managed to modify the way in which we know and understand the reality that surrounds them. Computer. Computer used to be huge in size and extremely easy to handle or access complicated, and its cost was very high, very inaccessible for most of the people. With the passage of the time this was changed too quickly, and each of the components of this has been modified and evolved to achieve a greater and better organization and improvement in its function, and by reducing its size it was possible to have a personal computer. Okay, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be the catalyst for new, profound, and positive change in employment and labor relations, in the dislocation of workplaces, and in general in an improvement in living conditions. Smart machines make the only function of humans is the combination of algorithm proposed with the purpose of creating machines that have the same capabilities as humans. Okay, organ transplant. Organ transplants have served more than half a century as proven useful, routine, and reliable therapeutic results that have saved thousands of lives on and shows a very favorable cost-benefit when compared to other therapeutic modalities for terminal organ failure. When you have an organ transplant, doctors remove an organ from another person and place it in your body. The organ can come from a living or dead donor. Okay, Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft is responsible for the expansion of computing at the home level, and thanks to it everyone has a computer at home and knows how to use it, even at basic level. Microsoft technology is important for communication such as Skype and Tor social network, in addition to its Nokia Lumia cell phone network. In the Office with the Microsoft Office suite. is a computer company engaged in the development, manufacturing, design, and production of electronic hardware and software. Wi-Fi and Google. A sample of the social impact that Google has achieved in the information society is inside in the field of language. Currently, of all Google products, 8 of them are used by more than 1 million users per month. In addition to its iconic search engine, the Mountain View company servers are made up for Chrome, Gmail, Android, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Play, or Google Drive, among others. Only through the company search engine that contains its secret algorithm, trillions of searches are carried out per year, more than 50% of them on mobile devices. In addition of the total of the daily ones, 13% are new, that is, they had never been done before. Ignored this global network of computer networks, which currently operate mainly through wireless communication platforms, provide us with the ubiquity of multimodal and interrupt communication at any time on free of the space limited. The internet at the center of the communication network allows the production, distribution, and use the designated information in any format. Okay, cell phone. Before the appearance of the cell phones, the only way to establish long-distance communication was through a landline phone. But now thanks to cell phones, we can communicate from anywhere in the world while on the move. Send text message to one or several people and even surf the internet. Thanks to cell, it is possible to communicate with people from all over the world from anywhere. In addition to calls and text messages with the appearance of 3G or 4G phones. Mobile phones allow one user to call another and talk remotely. Features related to voice communication include automatic radial, last number called, call ID, incoming and outgoing call log, speakerphone or hands-free and speed dial capabilities.